So I'm getting ready to make some fresh dog food. I've got a bunch of quail that I just dispatched, ground beef, some chicken feet, some beef heart, or not beef heart, beef liver, right? And this is my Weston number 32 commercial grade electric meat grinder. It is a 1.5 horsepower motor. I haven't ground chicken feet this big up in it, but I'm pretty sure it will handle that. I've done whole leg quarters and sometimes turkey necks. The turkey necks have a little bit of trouble with it, but everything else goes through it pretty well as long as you cut it big enough to fit in the opening right there. I'm going to run my beef liver through here first so that I can mix it as I go. You can puree beef liver in a food processor, but every time I've tried it in a blender, it'll seize the blender up. I just usually do it while I'm doing my meat grinding. Set this to the side. Chicken feet. Ground meat. Whatever liver just already came out, that's going to be enough for this whole container. If quail are small enough, I can just drop the whole bird in there. Feathers and everything, doesn't matter, the dogs would eat it even if you fed it to them whole. There's probably a lot worse things in your commercial made dog food. I don't really worry too much about how much of this or that other than the organ meats. Too much organ meat at one sitting will give your dog a rocket butt. The rich stuff. A little more liver in there. A couple more feet. Bird. Kind of like the Swedish chef when I mix this. I just think balance over time. Not every meal. These are Rubbermaid containers, and usually whenever I've weighed them full, They're about 10 pounds. Now I also just went and got one of my young roosters. I don't need it right now. I'll get more in the spring. And he seems to think 4 o'clock is the wake-up call, and they're right outside my bedroom window. So I made the decision that he's going to be dog food tonight also. And no, he wasn't alive. The body was just twitching still. From being freshly dispatched. And if that happens, you just back it up. And he'll go right out through there. I'm not worried about the feathers, the feet, the beaks, the guts, anything, because my dogs will eat the birds whole. I'm just going to let that run and finish cleaning itself out, but that's how I make the dog food.